Prince of Peace, Jesus Christ, brings peace to us with our God. Prince of Peace, Jesus Christ, brings peace to us, God's children, from every nation, from every language. Jesus brings peace to all of us through his blood on the cross. Jesus brings peace to us. Pray